Hello everyone, I am Barkha from WinsurTech and Webner. We already have a video describing how to use WinsurTech AL3 Parser REST API with AMS_map and CSV formats. In this video, I am going to describe how to use JSON output while calling the endpoints. JSON is a more powerful format for programmers since it gives more detail in the output than AMS_map. I will describe the structure of output and the different additional details that comes with the JSON output format in this video. Firstly, let's go to the developer.winsurtech.com. You need to sign in. Here I am signing in with Google. After that, you need to go to the subscriptions. Here you will find the comprehensive API. Initially, you will receive a pilot plan valid for 10 days. Since I have already subscribed to the comprehensive API, the next step is download the Postman collection. So I have downloaded the Postman collection. Now all you have to do is go to the Postman application and import the downloaded collection. After importing the collection, just go to the login endpoint and fill in your email, and password. The next parameter we have is the user secret key, which we can copy from here and paste it here. After that, just hit the send button. The output has been generated. You will see the access token. You do not need to copy this token. It will be automatically used in the rest of the endpoints. Now let's come back to the AL3 to JSON CSV conversion endpoint. If you want to know only the element values, you can use AMS_map output. But if you want to get more details about each element, like its data type, length, whether it is mandatory element or not, etc., then you can use the JSON format. Set the output format to JSON. In this case, while calling the API, output is loading. So let's take a look at some example from the JSON output to understand its features. To begin with, let's consider policy type routing code. Here it is. This element belongs to 2TRG group. The element number is 06 and its presence is null, which means element is not mandatory to have a value in AL3. If presence is equal to M, that means data will always be there in this element. Length of the element is 001, which means the value can have only a single character. The type is AN, which means the value will be of alphanumeric type. Element class is CD, which means accord coded, which means only one of the code prescribed code value will be appear here. The original value in the AL3 can be found in AL3 formatted value field. Here it is written as P, and for the better understanding, our AL3 REST API expand the value to the descriptive one, which is personal lines. Now let's take a look at the element policy number. It belongs to the 5VPI group and the element number is 1 and the presence of the data is K, which means it is a key value, unique value, and the length of the AL3 formatted value is 25, which means policy number's maximum width will be of 25 characters and its type is written as EN and the type description is alphanumeric. EN standard for alphanumeric. Now let's consider another element of IBPI, policy effective date. Element number is 06 and the length of the AL3 formatted value is 6 and the presence of the data is null, which means not mandatory, and the type is N0, which means numeric without any digits after decimal, and the element class is DT6, which means 2 digits for the month, 2 for the day and 2 for the year. So the full year with 4 digits cannot be represented in this element value. That is why its class description is short date. The date will be written in 6 digits. The AL3 formatted value shows the actual value coming in the AL3 file, which is of 6 digits, but JSON format also shows the date with proper separator in the value key, as you can see here. You can see in the element title, deleted keyword is written there. You can also check that C5BPI 37 is written there. This is because Accord recommends to the carrier that in the future avoid using this element and instead use the 5BPI 37 element, which is of DT8 type. If the length of the date field is 08, the element class will be DT8. The AL3 formatted value will be written in 8 digits, and in this full year with 4 digits can be entered by the carrier in such fields. So let's check 5BPI 37 element. As you can see that deleted keyword is missing from here and the element is the same, that is policy effective date, but its class is DT8 now. So full year with 4 digits can be stored in the value. In AL3 formatted value you can see now 8 digits, which includes 2013 as the 4 digits of the year, and in value key you can see the properly formatted value. We describe the value with clear delimiters to show the date for your better understanding. Further on this, if we check an amount element like another 5BPI element, current term amount, and the element number is 11. The presence of the data is null, so optional to have a value in this element. The length of the AL3 formatted value is 12 and the type is S2. Here S2 means there are 2 digits after the decimals, and the type description is signed numeric. Element class is DC, which means dollar and cent. It is a currency value. When you look at AL3 formatted value, it is written in 12 digits, and for better readability we show the proper formatted value. If you check its type, it is written as S2, and if you look at the value, there are 2 digits after the decimal. I hope these examples make it easier to understand the power of JSON format. We will continue to create more such videos. For any help required for AL3, Accord Forms Carrier Management System, Claim Management System, AMS development, Accord XML or any PNC insurance software, contact us at contact@winsurtech.com. Thanks, and I will see you in another video very soon.